All right, I got a big 6-pound pork belly here. I just went ahead and sliced it in half, and I'm going to cut this against the grain here, and we're going to go ahead and cut little kind of thick pieces about like that. Yeah, about like that right there. I'm going to cut several of these up. I've been brining this for about 3 hours. We're just going to put some salt. Go ahead and sprinkle some salt all on this. I'll flip it over. The fat side, we'll go ahead and sprinkle some salt on it as well.
We've got some clumps.
Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for a couple hours. And now we're going to go ahead and cut it on up. 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/2 inch thick. All right, we got them all sliced up there just like that. Looks pretty good, don't it? I'm going to go ahead and add some Texas rub here, and we're going to sprinkle that all on here. A little brisket rub ain't going to hurt. It's going to be good, I think. We'll hit both sides of it with this. And a little red pepper flakes sprinkled on here. Give it a little kick. I'll hit the other side, and then we'll be putting it on the grill. All right, we're going to put them on here. We got some baked beans. We've started on the bottom. Any juices will drip in that. Add some flavor.
Very good.
All right, got a couple layers of it here. I will cook this a while, rotate, flip them around a little bit, and we're going to cook these up on the Weber Smokey Mountain at about 225 degrees. So we'll check on them here in a little bit. All right, here we go. We got the pork belly all done and up. Let me go ahead and give this a try. Really, really good. And then right here we got the apple pie baked beans. Look at that.
And this is corn.
They look, yep.
Oh, that's hot. That's good.
Check that out.
And then corn.
And we got corn. Wow.